Cheers! So, hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about concert photography and the Minox 35pl. Okay, why would you consider shooting concerts with the Minox 35pl camera? I've been shooting concerts for many years, digital and analog. But if you go to many concerts like me, you don't want to grab your heavy gear all the time and you don't want to get an accreditation for every concert. So what do? You grab your smallest camera. The Minox 35pl can easily fit in your pocket, and in Munich was a festival called Free and Easy, which is about 2 weeks long and all concerts are free, so a perfect opportunity to use the Minox 35pl. I'm going to show you now a bunch of pictures I've made, and after that I am going to show you how to set the Minox 35 into concert mode. And by the way, all the bands are rock, metal or punk bands, and because of that the background music is from my band called Sonic Abuse. Enjoy it. Okay, that was a lot, and there's still more. But first I'll show you how to operate the Minox 35. The Minox 35pl is one of the cheapest Minox models. It's a zone focusing camera, so you have to guess the distance, and it sets the shutter speed and the aperture automatically. The maximum ISO is 400, so that is very problematic for concert photography. One more thing about the batteries: like many old cameras, it needs mercury oxide batteries, but in most countries these are not allowed anymore. But you can just wrap 2 3-volt batteries together in a non-conductive material like a film stripe. When using the camera normally, you then have to lower the ISO in half or even more. Because of the 2 3-volt batteries there's a higher voltage. Okay, now what's the trick to use the Minox 35pl for concerts? The camera has a flash mode where the shutter speed is set to 1/90th of a second and you can choose the aperture. And the flash mode works without the flash. You just have to put one of these plastic thingies into the hot shoe. Often they come with a camera, but you can also buy them online or 3D print them. My workflow now is to load the camera with the Ilford HP5, set the aperture at 2.8, and when the film is full I develop it in microphene with a +3 push, so ISO 3200. Of course you can use other film developer combinations. For me, HP5 and microfiche works the best for concerts. If you are going to shoot a concert with one of the Minox 35 cameras and flash mode, then I would love to see the photos, let me know in the comments. And now here's the rest of the photos, again with some music from my band Sonic Abuse.